Okay, welcome. So this morning or today we're discussing how you can make your yoga practice fun. So what to do to make it a little bit more fun. Um, so if you think about what it means to have fun, I know for myself it means to be natural in the body, so doing what feels good, and also to enjoy something. So yeah, to feel like you are in joy. So the feeling of being in joy might be foreign to you if you're not familiar with it, or if you're going through a tough time, or if you don't cultivate that feeling. So easily described or felt with how you feel when you smile, or when you laugh at a joke, or just laughing in general. So we're going to try to bring that into our practice. So when you do yoga, how you can make it fun is by remembering not to take yourself too serious. So smile, feeling that you're in joy, and to do what feels good in the body. So to do what feels natural. And also to make some sounds during your practice, to laugh when you have to sigh and yawn, and feel that it is your practice. So that's how we can make our practice a little bit more fun. So we're going to lie down on our backs. We don't have a lot of time, so go straight into it. Stretch out the body. So take the arms over the head and the feet away, and then just stretch and stretch the one side and the other side. Really just feel into the limbs and yawn if you have to. And then bend the knees, feet on the floor, and then take the legs up to the ceiling, and then roll out the ankles, and hands up, roll out the wrists, and then start to kind of just move into the limbs. So maybe bending and straightening. So really important to always warm up all the joints. And for me, this feels really good and really natural way because I'm supported on my back. And I can roll my head. We're just going to spend about a minute here moving into any direction with the arms. Make sure to go into the fingers and squish the toes and stretch. Ooh, then yawn. And then take the arms out to the side. Keep the knees bent and just start to move a little bit with the knees side to side. So the spine is really nice when you twist it. So gentle twist, take the knees wide, and then let the one knee fall to the side, then the other side, and roll the head opposite direction. And then you can straighten the top leg. Just kick it out. And again, just spending some time feeling what feels good to warm up the body. Good. And then we're going to bring the knees in. We're going to roll up to sitting. Come onto the hands and the knees. Come into your cat-cow position. So move the spine a little bit more, up and down, and then side to side. And this is where the sounds can come in. If it feels good, you can make the sound. You can sigh it out. Ah. Making some circles. Good, and then tuck your toes. Bring the hands closer to the knees so you can lift up to standing. And then slowly roll up. And start to roll the shoulders. Other direction. Good. And then hands next to the body or on the hips. Make some circles. Just about one or two. So if you have more time, spend a little bit more time doing these loosening up. And then just take the feet nice and wide. And then stretch the arms to the side. Open the chest, look up. And then take the arms up. And then exhale, bring the hands through the center. So now doing what feels natural in the body. Let's do 2 more of this. So really feel into the body. So feel into the feet and through the legs as you ground into the legs. Arms up. And then exhale down. Good. And then bring that smile to your face. We're going to do a couple of standing postures. And we're going to make it a little bit more fun by just adding the smile, adding that open chest to the posture. So turn the right toes out and then bend the knee. Go into your warrior 2. So this is where the hips are facing the side. The arms are out to the stretching to the front foot, back foot, and then smile. So even if you have to fake it a little bit, just feel what that smile does to the body. And take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, you can turn the palms up, come up, straighten the legs, stretch, and then take it to the other side. So left toes out and bend. And then you're looking over the left fingers and you're smiling. So usually when we smile, our body our body thinks or feels that it's in a joyful place. So cultivating that habit of smiling. Inhale up. And then take it one more time to the right side. So bending, make sure that the knee is over the ankle. And then up. And then to the other side. Good. And then up. Stretch. And then bring the hands to the hips. Bring the feet together. And then you can take the feet as wide or a little bit wider than the hips. We're going to fold forward. So first take a breath in. And then exhale to fold. And then the hands can be anywhere that feels good. You can always bend the knees a little bit. And then just stretch here. Exhale fully. Go a little bit deeper. Good. And we're going to do the monkey dance. So you can soften the knees, let the arms hang. And then just as you bend and straighten the knees, you can just bounce the body. So loosen up all the limbs, or both limbs, the arm, and then take it to side to side. So swinging and bouncing. And then just adding a little monkey sound if that feels good. Or just do it anyway. And then just feeling how that makes the body feel. And then come to center. Relax. And slowly stand up. Take the arms wide. Take your time. Let them slowly float up. And then bring the hands into the heart. For the final little practice or posture that we do is the breath of joy. So again, standing with the feet underneath the hips, hands into the heart. We take the arms out to the side. Open the chest, look up. And then take a deep breath in. And then as you exhale, you wrap the arms around the body. Give yourself a squeeze. Drop the head. So breath of joy, inhale to open. Open up the heart. And then exhale to squeeze and give yourself a big hug. Inhale, open. Exhale, squeeze. One more time. Inhale, open. And then exhale to squeeze. And then just stay there for a moment. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing the body. Give yourself a big hug. Close the eyes. And then slowly open. Take the arms wide one more time. And then exhale up. And then back into the heart. And then you can slowly find a seat. And then just sit with the eyes closed. So either sitting on the floor or on a chair. Both is perfect. And then just check in with yourself. Check in with how you can start to bring a little bit more fun into not just your yoga practice, but also into everyday things. Remembering to smile, remembering to do what feels good in the body, and to laugh and to make sounds as they come up. Let's take a deep breath in. And exhale. Bring the hands together, rub the palms, place the hands over the eyes, and then open the eyes. And slowly bring the hands down. So I hope you enjoyed the little short tutorial on how to make your yoga practice a little bit more fun. Contact me, connect if you have any questions or you want to add something that you do on your side to make your practice a little bit more fun and enjoyable. See you soon.